So this is Sunday, June the 4th, 2023. Today is the first day of opening for Tatos Kitchen, formerly Kent's Kitchen. So I'm going to go in and check out the food. So this is your first day, eh?
Yeah.
The house business so far looks pretty busy for first day.
Yeah, quite busy. This is our second run. First run
Really
lined up.
fantastic. So this is the first day. Look at the food. It looks really delicious here. What's this one here?
This is chicken.
That's chicken with black bean sauce. Yeah, I had the same one. I had the same one at Kent's the last day. That's what I had. Okay, so I had. What's this here? Beef.
Beef with a black pepper.
Beef black pepper. Wow, that was good. And is this sweet and sour pork?
Sweet and
Carrot.
sour pork. Yeah.
Oh, that's one of my favorites all time. And you get the nice tofu with tofu puffs. And what is those little things there?
Squid and the fish bowl.
Oh, squid. Fantastic.
The fish.
Curry noodles of fish. And this used to be one of my favorites. I eat this all the time. This is
The same second one. The
puffs,
same, yeah.
the
And
tofu
I will
puffs
bring
stir
my
fry
name.
with
It
mushrooms.
is here. I'll come back.
And then this is soy sauce noodles. And then we have some tofu stir fry. Is this, what kind of fish is this? Fish? Halibut fish. Wow, halibut fish. Wow, that's good. And then we have some, what is that one?
Curry chicken and pork.
Okay, this is a stir fry pork. Looks good. And this is a curry. Curry chicken. All right.
11.
Okay, this is beef brisket with daikon radish. Oh, fantastic. And you have some nice fried rice. Honey garlic spare ribs. I always like that. And is that yungui? That's a squid. That's a spicy squid. And this is number 14. 14 beef tripe with tendon. Beef tripe with tendon. And this is sweet and sour pork chop, one of my favorites. And dried garlic spare rib. Oh, salted spicy spare rib. Yes. And then you have the Shanghai bok choy. Nice to have some veggies here. Some tasty beef, just broccoli, right?
You get a drink
Broccoli.
as well, right?
Salt, peppery pork chops. Pork chops?
Pork chop.
Pork chop, yeah, looks good.
Tofu.
Okay, stir fry eggplant with tofu. That looks good.
This is pork.
This is pork with red pepper stir fry. Is that spicy?
Yeah, stir fry.
Spicy?
Not spicy actually.
Not too spicy.
Sweet and
Okay.
This is
Probably a little spicy. That looks good.
Yeah. Chicken.
This is the honey garlic chicken.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And
Curry beef.
curry beef, a nice sauce there. And
The beef.
okay, spicy beef with carrots. Oh no, that's lemon. This is beef brisket, daikon radish.
Salted pepper mushroom.
Salted pepper with mushroom. Okay, salted.
Ginger and onion.
What's this one again?
Ginger onion chicken.
What's this one?
Salt and pepper mushroom.
Salt and pepper mushroom. Wow, looks good. Wow, deep fried mushroom with salt and pepper. Wow. And this is a soy sauce chicken.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Ginger onion chicken.
Ginger onion soy sauce chicken. Wow, that looks good. Oh, Hoi Nam Kai. Oh, fantastic.
Salt and pepper flakes.
And the prawns look fantastic. Oh, they look large, juicy, and plump. One of my mom's favorite, the smelts. This is a battered smelt, or breaded smelt. This is a smelt.
The chili.
Looks really good. One of my mom's favorites. And then you get the
Chili fish.
salted chili fish. Wow, deep fried. It looks really good, tasty.
Just remember what you're doing, right?
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Here you go.
I'm so lucky to eat this. So the boss lady is treating me. So I usually get 2 toppings of rice, but she gave me extra toppings. But you can see some fantastic food. This is really fantastic. And then promotion, you get a free Coke with it too.
Thank you all the people support us.
Fantastic.
All the customers.
Yeah, thank you, and I'm glad
Please
you're
let
open.
us know. Yeah. So how's
Yeah.
everything taste?
So when I put it on the video, people will see, and when it's delicious, I'm going to tell it the way it is.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Dan.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So this is basically 4 toppings on rice. Usually get 2 toppings, but you can pay extra for extra topping. So I have it on rice because the rice is like a canvas. It's going to soak up all the sauces. So here we have the looks like ginger beef. So ginger beef, it's deep fried and stir fried with a nice sweet tangy sauce. And then this is the sweet and sour pork. That's always one of my favorites everywhere I go. So I'm sure I'm going to enjoy Tatos Kitchen sweet and sour pork, just like I used to enjoy the Kent's Kitchen sweet and sour pork. And then we have the squid with the tofu puff stir fry. The sauce looks really good. And then we have the giant prawns. So this is the spicy, salty prawns. So these are nice size. They got a nice, I see the chili flakes. So it's going to be very tasty, just the way they look. This is the sweet and sour pork. Wow, nice. There's not as much sauce as I like it, but the flavor is really good. The texture of the sweet and sour pork has been deep fried. It's not soggy. That's very tasty. Wow, look at this big piece of squid. You won't find this in a fancy restaurant. You won't get this size of a piece of squid. Wow. Ooh, look at this tofu puff. I love tofu puff. Oh, you get the sauces infused in the tofu puff. Very nice, very nice. This food is similar to the food that the Kent's Kitchen serve. So they have their own take on the food, so you gotta try it. So you get the, it looks like ginger beef. So it's probably dusted with flour and deep fried. I'm only guessing. I just got a peppery taste, so it's actually not ginger beef. It's got a nice pepper flavor. So it's black pepper, probably soy sauce, and I'm not exactly sure, but it's really tasty. So this is the, I think it's fish balls. That's nice and tender. Coated with a nice sauce. Ooh, look at this prawn. You won't find this size prawn even in a fancy restaurant. That's tasty. The salt and pepper coating the prawns. So you can eat it with the shell or not. I tend to eat it with the shell because all the flavor is in the shell, on the shell. Is that ever yummy? Wow. So I'm pretty impressed with the food. This is the first day. So we're still working out the cooking and the serving, but fantastic. First day, I'm very impressed already. City of Vancouver Sanitation Department is working. Even on Sunday, they're escorted by the police as they clear up the garbage, and they're taking down tents too, I think. There's no tents on East Hastings Street. Police are escorting the Vancouver City Sanitation Department. They're doing cleanup here on East Hastings Street in the downtown east side. So this is Sunday, June the 4th.